Hello, this is Dr. Matthew Sim. How are you feeling today? I hope you're feeling great. If you're feeling down, go out and exercise and choose the food you eat. All right. I recommend you eat at least some salmon once a week. Okay, this is me at the Red Square many, many years ago when it was under the USSR. Moscow Red Square. Now it's called Russia. Okay, today I'm just going to share some views on term insurance and life insurance. Okay, the good thing about term insurance is that it's much cheaper than life insurance. It's cheaper, right? But then you don't get anything back from term insurance, right? Life insurance, in a sense, is a form of forced savings, right? So there's a slight difference in that. But the premiums are more for life insurance, not term insurance. There is one theory that say that when you're young, you should buy term insurance and not life insurance, and invest the rest of the money to grow your money, so that so the term insurance will cover you for a period of time, maybe until 60, 65. And then by then, the money that you invested should be substantial enough to cover your needs and to provide for any amount of money you need to give to your children or your dependents. And okay, this is one theory. Okay, like I said just now, the bad thing about term insurance is that most term insurance will end when you are 65 years old. Recently, I checked on my term insurance, and a couple of them will end at 65. Right, the insurance company are very smart, right? So when you need it most when you're old, they will stop the term insurance, right? And if you want to keep on the term insurance after 65, there are some that will allow you to do that, but the premiums will escalate, right? So you pay more and more premiums as you grow older and older, right? And the sad fact is that you probably need insurance when you are old, when you're old or older. Okay, now that I'm older and I look back, I find that I made the mistake of buying too many life insurance. It's not quite a mistake, but I think I bought too many life insurance. Okay, but the good thing about life insurance is that most in life insurance will go past 65 years old. Right. In fact, most life insurance will go until the end of one's life lah. So I looked at some of my life insurance. They end when I'm supposed to be like almost 100 years old, right? Or and then you get whatever is left over there lah. Right? So it's not that bad life insurance, but the premiums are high and the returns are usually lower than direct investments. Because the insurance company will have to take a cut in managing your money anyway. It's just fair. Okay, the problem with having life insurance is that when you retire, and if you are a working person and you get a salary, you may or may not have enough money to pay for the premiums of your life insurance. And your life insurance will go past your retirement, maybe until you're 80 or 90 or when you pass away. Okay, when you stop paying the premiums because you can't afford it, you will suffer the lack of insurance. So what I'm trying to say is that buy life insurance by all means, but make sure that you'll be able to pay for the life insurance premiums past your retirement. So there's a balance, right? Don't buy so much that you can't afford to pay the premiums when you retire. I think, and this is my own view, that one should buy some life insurance, some, uh, but one should not buy too much life insurance. Right? Don't just keep on piling it up, because life insurance will only be good when you continue to pay the premiums. The premiums can be monthly, it can be yearly, but it's still a burden. Okay, so you or I may or may not be able to pay the premiums when we retire, right? So that's something to think about. before you commit to life insurance, which is a long-term form of investments. Of course, I can argue that when I'm old and when you're old, your children will be independent and don't need your help. Then you or I may not need term insurance or life insurance, and we can stop paying the premium, right? And then forego the insurance. Okay, the insurance is important in the early part of your life when you have dependents, when you have young children that depend on you, right? You have to be around to bring them up. So in the end, the decision is yours. No one except God knows how long we will live, and no one will know when we will pass away to heaven. All right, so that's something you have to balance out. Insurance is a hedge or a bet on early demise. Okay, unfortunately, when you win, you lose, and when you lose, you win. All right, in the end, the ultimate winner will be the insurance company. Okay, there's one thing to think about when you buy life insurance. Don't try not to buy all your life insurance on one company, because if the one company collapses, then you're in trouble whether you like it or not, right? Even if you pay your premiums, you won't get life insurance when you're older. For example, during one of the last financial crisis, AIG almost collapsed. So if you have bought 10, 20 life insurance with AIG, and you're towards your golden age of right, or you're towards retirement, uh, if AIG had collapsed, it would have come to zero. But good thing the government bailed it out. So just be careful. Okay, please see my YouTube channel. You can just type HC Matthew Sim and you can see some of the videos. I focus mainly on retirement, investments for retirement. In life, we all want to retire with some form of dignity, all right? We don't want to be old and without money to feed ourselves, to house ourselves, and to pay for our medical bills for ourselves and our loved ones. So the aim is to be financially um, independent when we are old. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm Dr. Matthew Sim, and boom.